Standard 3rd, Subject English, Topic I'd like to be a lighthouse. Hello student, I'm Meera Singh and today we are going to learn a short and interesting poem. So let's begin. Student, before starting the topic, I would like to ask you a few questions. Question number 1. How many colored lights are there in any traffic signal? Name the color. Yes student, you are correct. There are 3 colored lights are used in traffic signal. They are red, yellow and green. Red says to stop, yellow says to get ready and green says to go. Correct. Question number 2. What would happen to the traffic if the signal lights go off? Yes, correct student. The vehicle will start running from all directions which may cause an accident. Now student, what is there on the screen? Yes, there is a lighthouse. Yes, so our poem is also about a lighthouse. Now student, I am going to recite the poem and you have to listen it carefully. Okay student, so let's start. I'd like to be a lighthouse. I'd like to be a lighthouse, all scrubbed and painted white. I'd like to be a lighthouse and stay awake all night, to keep my eye on everything that sails my patch of sea. I'd like to be a lighthouse with the ships all watching me. So student, now I am going to explain you the first para. So in the first para, the poet says that she would like to be a lighthouse, scrubbed and painted in white color. She says that she would like to be a lighthouse and stay awake all through the night. So the next para is to keep my eye on everything that sails my patch of sea. I'd like to be a lighthouse with the ship all watching me. So student, here the poet is saying that she will keep her eye on everything that sails in the area of sea near her. She ends by saying again that she would like to be a lighthouse and have all the ships watch her. Understood student? So student, this poem is about a lighthouse. A lighthouse is a tower building or tall structure on the seashore. From the lighthouse, big beams or flashes of light are thrown out. These beams help ships at sea to navigate to find their way across the sea. They can tell the ships that there is a port nearby. It is safe to go near the port or that there are dangerous rocks under the sea. In days of old, modern means of communication like radio, mobile phones, internet were not available to the people. Therefore, the warning signals of the lighthouse were not useful to ships. But in today's age of radio, TV, the internet, satellite services, many other facilities are available to ships and aeroplanes when they travel across the sea or sky. Now you understood student? Now student, repeat the poem after me. So let's start. I'd like to be a lighthouse, all scrubbed and painted white. I like to be a lighthouse and stay awake all night to keep my eye on everything that sails my patch of sea. I like to be a lighthouse with the ships all watching me. Very good, student. Keep practicing. Now student, let's see the meaning. The first one is scrubbed, washed and cleaned. The second one is to keep my eyes on, watch carefully. The third one is patch, area. Now student, it's time for evaluation. Now I am going to ask you a question and you have to give me the answer. So my first question is, what does a lighthouse look like? Yes, correct. The lighthouse is all scrubbed and painted white. Correct, student. Now the next question is, what does a lighthouse do? So student, I will give you the correct answer. So the answer is, a lighthouse throws out flashes of light. These beams help ships that are at sea to find their way safely to the port. The lighthouse also gives warnings if there are dangerous rocks under the sea. Understood, student? Yes. And the last question is, what does a lighthouse watch? Answer: a lighthouse watches the patch of sea around it in order to help the ship sailing there. So now you understood, student? Okay. So student, match the following word with their meanings. So here the first word is communication. Second, satellite. Third, dangerous. And fourth, navigate. So here student, the answer is given on the meaning box and you have to select the correct answer. So the first answer of communication is exchange of information. Correct. And the second meaning of satellite is? Yes, an artificial body revolving around the earth. Correct. And the second meaning of dangerous is? Yes, unsafe. Dangerous means unsafe. And the fourth is navigator. So the meaning of navigator is? Yes, correct. To sail a ship through sea. Very good, student. Now student, give one word for tower, building or a tall structure on the seashore. Yes, the correct answer is lighthouse. Lighthouse is a building or a tower structure on the seashore. The next question is, why the lighthouse is an important tower? The lighthouse shows the path to ships in the dark. In the same way, you must be light to help others in the dark. Share your kindness, knowledge with others who need help. Have you understood, student? Student, what is the other word for navigate? Yes, the other word for navigate is to sail. The next is, write the meaning of port. The answer is a city, town or other place where ships load or unload. Now student, there is a homework for you. Question 1. What is available in modern means of communication? The next homework is collect the pictures of modern means of communication and paste them in your notebook. Write their names below each picture. Understood, student? Thank you, student. Keep learning.